Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Startup Decoding for your weekly dose of startup news. So let's start with our headlines. Gujarat appears to be frontrunner for housing Tesla factory in India. Zomato acquires full-stack sports platform Fitzo for Rs 100 crore. Digit Insurance becomes the first Indian unicorn of 2021. BharatPe secures Rs 200 crore in debt from ICICI, Altaria and Innovin. Nazara becomes first Indian gaming tech startup to seek IPO. Health tech startup M-Fine raises $16 million led by Heritas Capital. Let's talk about Tesla. Earlier this month, Tesla made its India journey official when it registered as a company in Bangalore. According to the latest report, Gujarat is quickly emerging as the top choice for serving as home to the Tesla manufacturing facility in India. ET Auto quoted Manoj Das, Additional Chief Secretary, Chief Minister's Office and in charge ACI's Industry and Mines Department, as saying that the Gujarat government is indeed involved in dialogues with the American electric vehicle manufacturer, who has been assured that it will receive a wide range of incentives as well as assistance for setting up a factory in Gujarat. Now next up is Zomato. Food tech major Zomato has acquired 100% stake in full-stack sports platform Fitzo, according to 3 people aware of the details of the transaction. This is the first acquisition by Zomato after Uber Eats was bought by the Gurugram-based company in January 2020. Fitzo offers enthusiasts a way to engage in sporting activities such as swimming, basketball and tennis among others. Using its subscription model, users on the platform can choose a sport and book a time slot at their nearest facility. Let's talk about our third news. Insurtech startup Digit Insurance has raised an undisclosed amount of funding from existing investors. With the latest investment, the Canadian billionaire Prem Watsa-backed startup has hit a valuation of $1.9 billion, becoming the first Indian unicorn of 2021. Founded by Kamesh Goyal, an insurance veteran with over 30 years of experience in companies like Allianz Insurance and Bajaj Allianz Life Insurance, Digit Insurance also claims to have recorded profit on a quarterly basis in FY 2021. The 5-year-old startup claims that in 2021 it grew by 31.9%. Next up is BharatPe. Merchant-focused QR code-based payments firm BharatPe has secured Rs 200 crore in debt from ICICI Bank, Altaria Capital and Innovin Capital. The debt infusion has come at a time when the company put a joint bid with Centrum Group to acquire the scam-hit lender Punjab and Maharashtra Cooperative Bank. Altaria and ICICI have loaned Rs 90 crore and Rs 49 crore respectively in the New Delhi-based firm's regulatory fitting show. Let's talk about Nazara now. Nazara Technologies Limited, the cricket games developer backed by billionaire Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, became the first Indian gaming technology company to seek a market debut as mobile entertainment takes off across the world's number 2 smartphone arena. Founded by gamer Nitish Mittal Sen in 2000 when he was a college undergrad, Nazara is among the firms that have benefited from a global boom in smartphone gaming that began even before the pandemic drove millions online. Last up is M-Fine. Healthcare startup M-Fine has raised $16 million in funding led by Heritas Capital. The round also saw participation from Singapore-based family office YS Investment Pte Limited, existing investors SBI Investment, SBI Win Capital, BNext and Altaria Capital have also followed on one in the round. So this was it guys, we'll be back with another great episode next week. Thanks for watching and also don't forget to like and subscribe.